The Average Life Expectancy in Europe by Hassan and Diego. So, the objectives of our presentation is to look at different countries in the European continent and their life expectancies, look at the different expectancies in both males and females. This is all marked by the different regions of Europe. We are going to put some emphasis on the gaps of some countries that have the bigger gaps between others countries of their own region. So, how did we divide Europe? Well, we divided Europe between North, South, East, and West Europe, each marked by their own section. So, we're going to start out by presenting Northern Europe. So, Northern Europe is made up of the countries Denmark, Finland, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. So for Northern Europe, the average life expectancy. So we can see that the average life expectancy in Denmark is 81.5 years, in Finland is 82.1, in Ireland is 82.8, in Norway is 83 years, in Sweden is 83.2, and in the United Kingdom is 81.3. The average life expectancy for males in Denmark would be 79.5. In Finland, it would be 79.3. In Ireland, it would be 80.8. In Norway, it would be 81.3. In Sweden, it would be 81.5. And in the United Kingdom, it would be 79.5. With Sweden having the highest life expectancy in males. And for average life expectancy in females, we would have Denmark with 83.5. Then we would have Finland with 84.8. Then we would have Ireland with 84.7. Then we would have Norway with 84.7, again, a tie with Ireland. Then we would have Sweden with 84.8 and the United Kingdom with 83.1. For the average life expectancy for females, with Finland having the highest life expectancy for females, as well as Sweden, both with 84.8. So moving on, we will look at Southern Europe. It is made out of the following countries: Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Italy, Malta, Portugal, Romania, Slovenia, and Spain. So for the average life expectancies of the Southern European countries, would be for Albania it would be 79.1, for Bosnia it would be 77.2, for Bulgaria it would be 75.1, for Croatia it would be 78.6, for Greece it would be 78.1 or 78 sorry, 81.7. For Italy, it would be 83.6. For Malta, it would be 82.9. For Portugal, it would be 81.9. For Romania, it would be 75.6. For Slovenia, it would be 81.6. And for Spain, it would be 84. With Spain having the highest average life expectancy. Expectancy. For the male average life expectancy, Albania would have an male average life expectancy of 77.6. Bosnia would have 74.7. Bulgaria of 71.6. Croatia of 75.5. Greece with 79.2. Italy with 81.4. Malta with 81.2. Portugal with 78.7. Romania with 71.9. Slovenia with 78.7. And Spain with 81.1. With Italy having the highest life expectancy for males. Okay. And for females, we would have Albania with 80.7 average life expectancy for females. And then we would have Bosnia with 79.7. Then we would have Bulgaria with 78.8. And then we have Croatia with 81.6. Then we have Greece with 84.2. Then we have Italy with 85.7. Then we have Malta with 84.6. Then we have Portugal with 84.8. Then we have Romania with 79.5. Slovenia with 84.5, and Spain with 86.7. With, again, Spain taking the lead with the highest female average life expectancy. We're going to take a look at Western Europe next. The countries that make up Western Europe would be Austria, France, Germany, the Netherlands, and Switzerland. So here we would have Austria with an average life expectancy of 82, France with 83, Germany with 81.3, Netherlands with 82.2, and Switzerland with 84 years. Here, Switzerland takes the win with having the highest life expectancy in an average. For the male average life expectancy, Austria has 79.7, France has 79.9, Germany with 79, Netherlands with 80.6, and Switzerland with 82.1. Again, Switzerland taking the lead in the male average life expectancy, the males. And for females, we would have Austria with 84.2, France with 85.9, Germany with 83.7, the Netherlands with 83.7, tied with Germany, and Switzerland with 85.8. Here we would clearly see that France has a higher female average life expectancy, just by 1 point over Switzerland. Last but not least, we have Eastern Europe. The countries that make up Eastern Europe are Belarus, Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, Hungary, Moldova, Poland, Romania, Slovakia, and Ukraine. So the average life expectancies for Bulgaria would be, or for Belarus, would be 74.5. Bulgaria would have 75.1. Czech Republic 79.3. Hungary 76.5. Moldova 71.7. Poland with 78. Romania with 75.6. Slovakia with 77.8, and Ukraine with 73.4. Here we would see that the Czech Republic has the highest average life expectancy, but closely followed by Poland. The average male life expectancy in Belarus would be 69.3, in Bulgaria would be 71.6, in the Czech Republic would be 76.4, in Hungary would be 73.1, in Moldova would be 67.4, in Poland would be 74.1, in Romania would be 71.9, in Slovakia would be 74.3, and Ukraine would be 68.4. Here again, the Czech Republic takes the lead, having 76.4 average male life expectancy, and for females, Belarus would have an average life expectancy of 79.3. Then we have Bulgaria with 78.8. Then we have the Czech Republic with an 82.2. Then we have Hungary with 79.7. Then we have Moldova with 75.9. Then we have Poland with an 81.9. Then we have Romania with a 79.5. Then we have Slovakia with an 81.2, and then Ukraine with 78.3. Again, the Czech Republic takes the lead here, but closely followed by Poland. Thank you very much. This has been our presentation.